This is my like littlest unboxing. It's so small. There's just 2 little packages. And the horses inside are also super small. Hey there, it's DeeJayBe. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Darynn. This is an unboxing video. Welcome to my channel. I do a lot of these. I have a spending problem. These are tiny, tiny horses. I was never a person to collect stablemates, but recently I have become obsessed and now I have quite the collection, but they're very specific ones that I want. So it's very hard to find them, and when I do it, it's very exciting because they're so rare. Green peanuts, it's like they knew. This one is actually from eBay, and I haven't ordered anything on eBay in years. It's kind of an interesting experience to return to the eBays. This little model is one I've looked for a long time, and this one's perfect. I love it. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. So this is a Mustang, running Mustang. But it's like a Grula Pinto, and he's so cool. He's super nice. It's a funny story with this one. I actually did order like a group of stablemates from a different seller, and I picked this one plus like some other ones, but we were kind of talking about some other ones in between, so it like got kind of confusing. I got lost in translation somehow, and so she ended up sending me the wrong horse. She sent me a different stablemate and then didn't send this one, and I was super bummed out because I really wanted this one. And I was just like randomly on eBay, and it was for sale, and it was not that expensive. Bingo, perfect. So I bought it. Love it, love it, love it. And this is a box full of other stablemates. Taped all over because they charged me so much money to get it into Canada. So annoying that they do that. It says thank you. And I got 2 little stickers. Cute. Little Western horse and a little horse with flowers. I don't remember what I bought, so I got 3. It's Breyer Fest time. We see something we want, we buy it. We ask questions later. This is good quality packing tape. Did you know my studio has only ever reused packing materials? I've yet to buy like any bubble wrap or box. Ooh, it's this one. It's cute. I am concerned about Breyer Fest this year. Going in person, I'm gonna buy like 300 stablemates. I get too excited about this stablemate. Oh, I love it! Like rainbow and glacé. So this is Verkey. This was a collector's gambler's choice stablemate, but I really wanted the rainbow version. Super cool color. My deco collection is growing too. Another deco! Okay, this one's cool. Wow, he's super cool. He's like the filigree effect. This is one of my favorite molds. He's so cute. Wow, so 2 decos and 2 others. So fun, so cute. This is just feeding my obsession further. I can't stop. They're like chips. They're literally like potato chips. Thanks so much for watching this very tiny unboxing, and expect to see more because the stablemates, they're addicting.